Hi, my name is Hide. I'm a native English speaker. I also have a degree in English language and literature. I have the Part 1 TESOL certificate, which is Teaching English for Speakers of Other Languages. I can help you improve your English grammar, vocabulary, and pronunciation. I could also help you improve your listening, speaking, reading, and writing skills. My lessons are always fun and interactive. This is all about you. Who are you and what do you like? When I get to know you, I can give you the lesson in a way that you can remember. So you could book a trial lesson with me now and decide for yourself. Am I the kind of teacher for you? Go ahead. Book with me now.